Hello and welcome to a brand new video. Today I'm going to be showing you exactly how to add baggage to your Air Arabia reservation. So let's say you're already applied to Air Arabia and you've reserved your seats and you've got your reservation number, but hey, I want to add baggage to whatever it is type of ticket that I've reserved. So after logging in, you mosey on to manage and then you go to add extras and you press add baggage. Once you get to that, it's going to prompt you after signing in. It's going to prompt you to add your reservation number and your last name for your contact person and your departure date. And as soon as you continue, it's going to come up with a CAPTCHA right there to make sure that you're not a robot. And as soon as you confirm that, it's going to as soon as it finds out that you're actually a human being, it's going to prompt you to continue, and then you're going to go on to payment. And as soon as you're done with that, your baggage is going to be added to your ticket. And this is how to add baggage to your reservation that has already been made on Air Arabia. Thank you so much for watching.